May kalamay sa Pasko.
Go, magkakalaway daw siya sa Pasko.
Ko lang ang gagawin mo, sawa kayo.
Sa buhay kong ito, tanging pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makamdam. Kahit na sandali kita'y mamasdan, ligay ay tila bang walang hanggan. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang
ko naiintindi.
Smile.
Ha?
Smile.
Bite.
Smile.
Baila.
Happy birthday sa'yo.
Dapat ay paluin na eh.
Ipinakita sa amin ni Ayon ang bakas ng hiwa sa kanyang likod. Kabilaan ko 60-60 yung mga sugat namin. 60 na hiwa. Kabilaan.
Aba, magbigay ng advice sa buhay ko hindi naman nahingi.
Nahingi sila. Anong masasabi nyo?
Aba, kung nahingi, hindi pag-uusapan. Ang aking parang ulo ay panit na yung
Pangarap ko na makamtan ko na.
Gusto dyan.
Tama na yung kami tatlo lang kami. Si Dea, saka si Claire.
kiss mo ako na rin.
Kasi inaayos na namin.
Kiss mo ako.
Kiss daw, Lola. Kiss. Ayaw. Kaya na natin after 20 minutes. Kaya tayo. Wala lang, nakaano.
Happy birthday to you.
How old are you? 19. 19. 1, 2.
Happy birthday. Yan na may birthday.
Yay!
Happy birthday sa'yo.
Birthday na ni Lola! Birthday ni Lola! Ngayon! Get out! Happy birthday, Sex Bomb Lola! Hippie! Hippie! Laksi! Laksi pa! Yay! Happy birthday to you!
I took the supermarket flyers from the windowsill. I threw the day old tea from the cup. Packed up the photo album Matthew had made. Memories of a life that's been loved. Took the get well soon cars and stuffed animals. Poured the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down. But Mum, there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up. But I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. I Fluffed the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up, folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. John said he'd drive, then put his hand on my cheek and wiped a tear from the side of my face. And I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go, and when God takes you back, you'll say hallelujah, you're home. Hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. You got to see the person I have become. Spread your wings, and I know that when God took you back, He said hallelujah, you're home.
Must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine, that's your way. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle. You are the wind beneath my wings. It might have appeared to go unnoticed, but I've got it all here in my heart. I want you to know I know the truth. Of course I know I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. I could fly higher Pero para kay Anthony at sa kanilang kasama, hindi mo ng bata.
Hindi siya galing.
Sa akin nga.
Ha?
Sa akin?
Sa iyo.
Oo.
Thank you. Nagkapira rin.
Niligaw ako
Nang alin?
ng lechon. Ay tatawa pa. Ay kaya nagpabili noon na gawa ko bago ako naman ang hindi nakatikim.
Ay, si Limuel.
Ay simula po naman ako nagdadaya pero hindi na ako nagpapanti.
Bakit magpapanty pa eh? Ano, silbi? Wala na silbi ang panty.
Ay kaya nga. Ano?
Kaya nga wala na kayong panty.
Ay, kung hindi nga paghanapin ko nga ako. Dami kong panty.
I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you met her. The things that you learned from me, I got them all from you. Can I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights? The little ones will grow and I'll still drink your favorite wine. And soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just swing by and ask your advice. What would you do in my situation? I haven't a clue how I'd even raise them. What would you do? 'Cause you always do what's right. And we just talk a while until my worries disappear. I'll tell you that I'm scared of turning out a failure. You'd say, remember that the answer's in the love that we create. So much has changed since you've been away.
Hello. Hello.
Kasi you're still alive and kicking!
Sa pagbuhos ng ulan, sa haplos ng hangin, alaala mo ay nakauki sa pisngi ng langit.
Di man umihip ang hangin, di man umihip, ika'y nandito pa rin.
Kung ang lahat ay may katapusan, itong paglalakbay ay makakarating din sa paroroonan. At sa iyong paglisan, ang tanging pabaon ko ay pag-ibig.
Thank you. Bakit ka ba tunay?
Ang tanging papaon ko